On the View tab, by default, we have one page and it is set vertical. It means you will see only one pages at the horizontally sorting and it will scroll with vertical. If I click on side to side, it will automatically bring two pages together. I could zoom out to see more, but now my zoom is changed to the thumbnail because I zoomed out too much. If I zoom in, now I could scroll one by one and see the pages. You could find the page numbers to check. Page 8, 9 is coming here, 10. And I could change instead of one page to multiple page to see pages close together. Of course, you're familiar with zooms, but we have one options here very quickly for page width. Zoom based on your page width or 100% zoom. To see one page, note that content, not the whole page, only the contents. And we have window. On the window, you could actually do multiple things. You could open several different documents to arrange them and compare them, slide them, or you could even make a new window from current document. Note that this option won't make a new document and won't save as, actually showing the same document. Allow me to go one page and different multiple pages. What's the benefit? You could use that like split to compare part of your document with different parts. And it is very great and ideal instead of opening multiple files. I could remove that. I could make a new window. If I open a new window, now on the view we have view side by side. And on the switch window, I could switch between of them. Of course, you could collect them. And by default, they are scrolling together based on the current position. I could disable synchronous scrolling. Now change the position, let's say this, and then enable synchronous scrolling. Now they will scroll together. Allow me to reset the window position. Now they are vertical. And note that still synchronous scrolling is enabled, so they will scroll together, although they are not in the same page. And again, I could, of course, close one of them. Doesn't matter, nothing gonna happen. Let me close one of them. There it is. And if you change the position, of course, you could reset Windows position.